In this video, I'm going to show you how to interpret your Google Search Console data and look for opportunities to improve. So what we want to do is we want to filter by the last 28 days. We're going to go over here. We're going to export CSV and download everything. And then we're going to go unzip it. And you'll see that in there we have countries, dates, devices, filters, pages, queries, search appearance. So basically that is all the data that you see here. And I want to show you a simple, easy way to understand what's going on. So if you open up Claude or ChatGPT or your favorite AI tool, you can import all of those just like this. And then say, you are a Google Search Console expert. Please help me find the top 10 biggest levers I can pull to get more clicks, higher impressions, and higher CTR. And then send it. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to comb through that data for the last 28 days, and it's going to help us identify what's the 10 biggest opportunities. It could be pages that are on position, like 11. So basically what that means is it's on the second page, and 17.6, that means it's on the second page. So it's going to filter through the data that I uploaded and identify the biggest opportunities so that I can go in and optimize it and fight for it. But I wanted to show you how to do this because this is a great way to really understand what's going on with your website and help you get a leg up over the competition by using AI to understand what's going on with your site instead of trying to figure out graphs and charts on your own. So we're going to let it keep going. It takes just a second, so we're just going to be patient. But while it's doing that, let's show you the real results of what happens when you optimize. So if I go for the last 16 months, you can see what's possible with your traffic. You can see basically the purple is more impressions, blue is more clicks, and you can see how we just rocket ship right here. So I'm showing you how to identify what you can optimize. If you don't have any blog posts, that's where you start. You need to have some blog posts to see where they land, and then you can optimize from there. So we're going to let this keep going. Here we go. So fix zero-click high impression keywords, massive opportunity. Okay, optimize your homepage. Please identify top 10 URLs to optimize. So it's given like an overview. Some of these things you can change, some of them you can't change. Some of them are best practices and stuff. But what we want to do is identify what are those actual pages so that we can better understand it. So now it's going to go find those specific URLs, but what we'll do is we'll read through this while it does that. So I'll tell you what you can fix and what you can't fix. Massive opportunity, create dedicated landing pages, optimized to that. So that's basically saying create pages with this as your H1, your title tag. Realtor Cape Cod, we don't rank for that. We rank for luxury realtor though. So if I put that in there and add luxury realtor, you can see we're number 2 for that. So it might be worth doing that as well. But let's go down here and look at the URLs. Here you go. So Cape Cod luxury neighborhoods. It says rewrite title tag, improve metadata description. So we're just going to take this one for example. This one has been on the blog or it's been on the website for, I don't know, 30, 45 days, something like that. So 30 clicks is not terrible, but it can definitely have room to improve. You can see that it is the 5th, 6th position. So what we'll do is go over here and we'll put this link in, and then we can take a look. And here's our actual blog post that we're talking about. So what we're going to do is I use this tool right here. It is called SEO-extension.com. You can get it for your Google Chrome browser. And you can see my current title and my current description. And then you can see that my H1 tag is this. So it is suggesting that I rewrite the title tag and improve meta description, add compelling intro. Okay, so let's look and see what our intro is. As a trusted, okay, great. So I'm going to do Cape Cod luxury neighborhoods, and then I'm going to go look at number 1 and compare it and see what is their title tag. Their title tag is most exclusive neighborhoods on Cape Cod. And then if we open it up, this is their H1. So their H1 is most exclusive neighborhoods on Cape Cod for luxury living. And then they have a sexier intro. See that right there? So you can see that there's just basic boring text, but they have a better H1 and a better title tag. So I'm going to work on that, but I wanted to show you how to identify that so that you know where there's room for improvement. I hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like it, drop a comment. See you on the flip side.